Certainly. Here are 5 motivational steps for life to help you stay focused and inspired. 1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve in different aspects of your life, whether it's personal, career, or health related. Having clear, specific goals gives you a sense of purpose and direction. 2. Develop a positive mindset. Cultivate a positive attitude towards challenges and setbacks. Embrace a growth mindset, believing that you can learn and improve from any situation. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's through books, people, or affirmations. 3. Take action. Motivation often comes after taking the first step. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start working on your goals now. Break your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and tackle them one at a time. Consistent action leads to progress. 4. Stay resilient. Life is full of ups and downs. When faced with obstacles or failures, remember that they are opportunities to learn and grow. Maintain your resilience by staying determined and adapting to new situations. 5. Self-care and balance. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is crucial for long-term motivation. Prioritize self-care activities such as exercise, meditation, healthy eating, and proper sleep. Balance your work, personal life, and hobbies to prevent burnout and maintain motivation. Remember that motivation can ebb and flow, and it's normal to have periods of low motivation. During those times, revisit your goals and remind yourself why you started in the first place. Celebrate your small wins along the way, and seek support from friends, family, or a mentor to help keep you on track.